Today we're going to do a crock pot salsa ranch chicken pasta. What we need to do first, you need to take a cup of salsa, a can of cream of chicken, and some minced garlic. Put all that in there. Okay, start up. Okay, now the recipe says that you can use frozen chicken breast, which I ended up having to. So that's 5 chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. You can use boneless, skinless thighs, and they can be thawed too, so it doesn't matter. So I sprayed my crock pot and I put the chicken in, and now the mixture that you just put together, you're gonna pour over this. And while this is cooking, you need to make your rotini pasta. And then after this cooks for so long, we will have some more things to add to the crock pot. Okay, y'all, so it's almost time to serve. So you need to take your chicken out and shred it or chop it and leave the sauce in here and add about half a cup of sour cream and a half a cup of ranch dressing. I'm gonna whisk it in. Okay, now you're going to add your chicken. So stir that up. Here's my drained pasta. Sure, you could probably use something else, but rotini holds a lot of sauce. This is going to be crock pot barbecue chicken sandwiches. All you need to do is get your crock pot, do really any number of chicken breasts you want. I think I've got 4 or 5 in here. Get your favorite barbecue sauce, pour it on top, and just let it cook on high for about 4 hours. I'm going to take this out and shred it and chop it up real good. I'm going to stick it back in here with a little bit more barbecue sauce and let it finish kind of tenderizing the meat a little bit. We'll take it out and I will show you what we're going to do with it next. Okay, y'all, so real quick while we wait on the chicken to warm up, I've already chopped it and put it back in the sauce. You can make real quick baked beans on the stovetop. I believe I have a video for this, I'm not sure. Take 2 cans of pork and beans, put whatever sweetener you like in it. Most of the time people will put in brown sugar. Depending on the how many cans, I would say 1/4 of a cup for 2 cans. So 1/8 of a cup of sugar per each one, unless you like it really sweet and you just double that. Okay, so I've already put our sweetener in. I put ketchup, about 1/3 of a cup, maybe a half. Some bacon pieces, real bacon pieces, or you can put bacon that you cooked in, and some onion powder. A couple of teaspoons. Okay, so you mix all this together. Put this on the stove until it's hot and bubbly and it's ready to eat. The next thing I'm going to show you is coleslaw. You can do this really cheap by getting your own cabbage and shredding it, and a little bit of carrot and shredding that, maybe a little bit of celery or onion. But this is the mix. I got it at Aldi. I take enough mayonnaise, not salad dressing, but mayonnaise, to put in here until I get the consistency that I want. Okay, so I had to go back and get some more mayonnaise. Alright. So for the whole package, you're going to need several cups. And what you're going to do is you're just going to try thin it out. going to use just a little bit of almond milk because I have a son that can't have regular milk. And it's not that much milk you're adding. So, I mean, you could use pickle juice as well to thin it out. I'm sorry, I forgot. You could use that too. You need to add a little bit of salt, pepper. Stick it in the fridge and it's done. Okay, so this is our barbecue chicken meal. Chopped chicken done in the crock pot with some barbecue sauce. Your favorite will work. On hamburger bun. Easy pork and beans made into baked beans. And real simple coleslaw kit made into coleslaw, of course. It's probably no more than $5 a meal, probably less. So this is another real cheap meal.